Sara n'abandi.
Twine ukwenda kuba meetinga nka leaders ahakuba ariho Eminyeeto yandikirire ikanyoreka ikiroto cyabo icyo kugira ngo baboneho project uri kubasagumana batahiza ikaba inka leaders b'Eminyeeto kandi ikwate n'abandi Eminyeeto no bakaba batari leaders.
Juliet agasaba shisha agizire ngo Eminyeeto yaraganasa kuja kugumana bakoraje kandi nabo nkabebembezi nibija kuguma hihi nabo ubu bari kubaha ubuyambi niko kusima deputy speaker ahabo kubashakira.
Eminyeeto ahakuba baturaganisa kandi twasanga barurede kwisha kugumana bakoraje ubu project is twatandukana berizo anienda kongera kusima deputy speaker akwaka 3 miliyoni 3 nabandi bene baturaganisa kandi Eminyeeto cyanshemeza nayo ikizana yo kuteka mu sente zayo kugira ngo kure project iba kweta event management itwatandukana berizo kandi ngakongera kubahiga ngo tusakora nabo tusakwatana nabo kugira ngo Mitooma yitu eyongere kugenda neza.
In leadership, that's where we started from. The radar you use when you are climbing, you meet people, you bypass people. So, the day when they remove the radars, you will fall down heavily, kind of headache.
RDC Mitooma Chibuka Francis agizire ngo bine kutendeka Eminyeeto ngo habo kuba baba tatendekere Eminyeeto yihanga nibisha kusiga ihanga ryafa.
That is the way to go. It is an obvious matter. I can't narrate so much about that because for us as old people, we are going. This country or this world is being left in the hands of the youth. If you leave them without passing in skills to them so that they get to understand how they can develop the country, it will become a disservice to them and to the entire world. Now that we are seeing that the youth are many, if you consider the population of Uganda, you can say 75% is the youth.
Kansara w'entebe ya katano awegombora Nyakizinga Muhozi Dickens asimira abanyishengero babo abo kubashakira.
Nsimo honore wagashaje tubashisha member wa parliament w'abacyara. Ijwa hakarobinga korabiro mu deputy speaker yahiriza Mitooma Eminyeeto miliyoni 30. Mwentu antizipurane girerizo. Twatine leaders b'Eminyeeto kandi twikiriza aragira ngo twatandika twajya ngo tubugabugane Eminyeeto ntubasika ngo mwije mu be part of the beneficiaries mukoraga Eminyeeto abandi ekintu cy'utamburo misho tubashaba uratwara kasenta ko gure gwabwashikire mukagaruze nabandi bafune eventually ari sente nyingi ezikwija nangona mwakora group muzo microfinance numuya mo sente nyingi.
Mwezi orumukama w'ekitongole cya Uganda Citizen Alliance kandi ori motivational speaker ajumiye ekikorwa ky'Eminyeeto kumarubire aha social media.
Pari 10 owawera ipeyenduka no mangu no kutamuntu warugumu ojume esande bakongereza indi ebyo ryo no juma ebyo ryo no gamba someone is not helping you but someone is using you to create as many enemies as possible and people who would have really helped your life and your kids. So when let's have let's define the way we relate with Honorable Juliet, the way we relate with Honorable Kafire, the way we relate as young people. Defining our way of relations.
Eminyeeto itugambireho nayo etugambire okubara twaze bamara kutunga sentezo kandi basima mwishengero ahabo abacyara okurugaya kabaha uniform ezo kuzanisa omupiira
bitwayegera izoba umusomo gwagurera izoba bitwabasabwe icyo kubanza no kubasa ntubasa takozese sentezo kurungi kugira ngo uzugumeho no Munyeeto ryiza bwa nyuma y'emyaka n'emyaka yabisangaho nawe yabiganyirwamo icyo necyo kubanza cya kabiri twayiga kugira ngo nkitwe nk'Eminyeeto tusemeye kubana tukora munonga ekisemeye kubana kituretera twakora tukagira icyo twabiko mu nsawo yitu ekirize kutuyamba no kuyamba amakagitu.
Gashako Olivia na Sasra wa Sky Television.